Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by trimming load. Close game overlays, browsers, and recording apps so CPU and GPU have headroom. This reduces frame drops immediately. Once done, plug into wired Ethernet or position close to the router to stabilize bandwidth and lower jitter. Then open Discord settings and disable hardware acceleration if it conflicts with your GPU. Alternatively, enable it if your GPU handles encoding better. Test both. Make sure your output resolution and frame rate are modest so the encoder can keep up with the network. You now tune encoding and network usage. Reduce resolution to 720p or 480p and cap frame rate at 30 FPS to cut bitrate demand while keeping clarity. Next, choose a hardware encoder, Discord's H264 or OBS NVENC, because dedicated encoders lower CPU strain and prevent stuttering. Then run a quick speed test and set your streaming upload cap to roughly 60% of that measured value, which prevents bursts from filling the pipe. Also prioritize Discord traffic with router co-S if supported to favor your stream. You finish by rebooting both router and PC so network routes and drivers apply cleanly. Update GPU drivers and router firmware when possible because fixes often land there. Next, run a short test stream with minimal settings and watch for consistent frame drops, packet loss, or bitrate spikes so you know what to target. If issues persist, switch Discord voice region or change Ethernet adapter/port to rule out hardware or routing problems. One key troubleshooting tip: capture logs and packet loss stats to show patterns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.